Simple, compound and complex sentences. Simple sentence. Simple sentence is one which has only one subject and one predicate, or it is one which has only one finite verb. Example: soldiers march down the road. Butterflies fly. Compound sentence. Compound sentence is made up of two or more principal or main clauses. Coordinating conjunctions but, and, so, or, it, either or, neither nor, not only but also, as well as, or else, whether or, as, the more, the less, the more, no sooner than, hardly when, etc. are found. Some examples of compound sentences. The train stopped and the passengers got down. We bought a house, sold it and made a profit. We ran quickly but missed the bus. Brownie baked brownies since he had nothing else to do. We went to the beach so that we could play volleyball. Now look at these sentences. Look at the first sentence. The train stopped and the passengers got down. We have the conjunction and. If you remove the conjunction and, that's coordinating conjunction because this is a compound sentence. Now this sentence can be split up into two simple sentences. The train stopped, it is meaningful, and also the passengers got down. It is also a meaningful simple sentence. Look at the next sentence. We bought a house, sold it and made a profit. We bought a house. We sold it. We made a profit. So we can split the compound sentence into three simple sentences. Now look at the third one. We ran quickly but missed the bus. Here but is the conjunction here, the coordinating conjunction here. If you remove that and split this sentence into two simple sentences, we get the simple sentences as follows. We ran quickly. We missed the bus. Now see the fourth one. Brownie baked brownies since he had nothing else to do. If you are removing since and splitting this sentence into two simple sentences, then we get Brownie baked brownies. He had nothing else to do. We went to the beach so that we could play volleyball. Now remove so that and see, we get two simple sentences. We went to the beach. We could play volleyball. These are examples of compound sentences. Complex sentence. Complex sentence consists of one main clause and one or more subordinate clauses. Subordinating conjunctions like who, what, when, where, how, why, because, that, since, though, although, as if, etc. are found. Some examples of complex sentences. The stone that keeps rolling does not gather any moss. We eat so that we may live. Though he is poor, he is happy. If you do not work hard, you will not pass. As it rained, the match was postponed. Now, look at the first sentence here. The stone that keeps rolling does not gather any moss. Here, the subordinating conjunction is that. We eat so that we may live. Here, the subordinating conjunction is so that. Though he is poor, he is happy. Here, the subordinating conjunction is though. If you do not work hard, you will not pass. Here, the subordinating conjunction is if. As it rained, the match was postponed. Here, the subordinating conjunction is as. The man who wears a white shirt is my father. Here the subordinating conjunction is who. Transformation of simple, compound and complex sentences. Note 1. To change a simple sentence into a compound sentence, break up the simple sentence into two or more separate sentences and combine with a suitable coordinating conjunction. Once again I repeat. Note 1. To change a simple sentence into a compound sentence, break up the simple sentence into two or more separate sentences and combine with a suitable coordinating conjunction. Now note 2. To change a compound sentence into a simple sentence, cut short the additional clauses into certain words and phrases using the infinitive to, present participle ing form, etc. This is note 2. Again I repeat. Note 2. To change a compound sentence into a simple sentence, cut short the additional clauses into certain words and phrases using the infinitive to, present participle ing form, etc. Note 3. To change a simple sentence into complex, break up the simple sentence into separate sentences and combine them in such a way that one clause dependent on the other for meaning. Once again I repeat note 3. To change a simple sentence into complex, break up the simple sentence into separate sentences and combine them in such a way that one clause dependent on the other for meaning. Note 4. To change a compound sentence into complex, replace the coordinating conjunction with a subordinating conjunction so that one part of the sentence depended on the other for its meaning. I repeat, note 4. To change a compound sentence into complex, replace the coordinating conjunction with a subordinating conjunction so that one part of the sentence depended on the other for its meaning. Model 1 cause effect type. The first example is of a simple sentence. Completing their work, the carpenters went home. Or, having completed their work, the carpenters went home. It is converted into compound sentence as the carpenters completed their work and they went home. The carpenters completed their work and they went home. You can see the coordinating conjunction and here, and you can see that this sentence can be split up into two simple sentences. The carpenters completed their work, they went home. Now the complex sentences, as the carpenters completed their work, they went home. Otherwise, you can also write, since the carpenters completed their work, they went home. You can see the subordinating conjunctions like as, since over here. Now coming to the next sentence, the simple sentence is, being late, he was punished. The compound sentence is, he was late and so he was punished. The complex sentence is, as he was late, he was punished. Now coming to the next one, simple sentence. Being poor, she was malnourished. Otherwise, it can be, due to poverty, she was malnourished. Otherwise, it can be, on account of poverty, she was malnourished. So, it can be converted into compound sentence as follows. She was poor and so she was malnourished. The complex sentence will be, as she was poor, she was malnourished. Now coming to the next sentence. On stopping of the train, the passengers got down. That is a simple sentence. Now it can be converted into the compound sentence as, the train stopped and the passengers got down. The train stopped and the passengers got down. Now look at the complex sentence. When the train stopped, the passengers got down. When the train stopped, the passengers got down. You can see the subordinating conjunction over here, which is when. When the train stopped, the passengers got down. Model 2, concession type. Look at the simple sentence. In spite of being ill, she went to school. The compound sentence will be, she was ill, yet she went to school. You can see the coordinating conjunction over here, which is it. Now, for the complex sentence, we are using the subordinating conjunction although. Although she was ill, she went to school. Now see the next sentence. In spite of working hard, she got less marks. That is a simple sentence. Now, it can be converted into a compound sentence as follows. She worked hard, but she got less marks. Here, but is the coordinating conjunction. Now, coming to the complex sentence, you can use though as the conjunction. What conjunction? Subordinating conjunction for complex sentence. Though she worked hard, she got less marks is the complex sentence. Now, coming to the next sentence, the simple sentence. In spite of poverty, she was happy. Look at the compound sentence. She was poor, still she was happy. Here the coordinating conjunction is still. Now look at the next sentence, complex sentence. Though she was poor, she was happy. Here the subordinating conjunction is though. Model 3 conditions. Look at the simple sentence. In the event of not working hard, you will not get good marks. Or only with hard work, you will get good marks. Once again, I am reading. In the event of not working hard, you will not get good marks. Or the sentence can be only with hard work, you will get good marks. Now the compound sentence will be work hard or you will not get good marks. Otherwise we can say work hard, otherwise you will not get good marks. Or you can say work hard and then only you will get good marks. Now look at the complex sentence. If you do not work hard, you will not get good marks. Here, if is the subordinating conjunction. In the event of eating protein-rich food, you will become muscular is the simple sentence. It can be converted into compound sentence as follows. Eat protein-rich food and then only you will become muscular. Eat protein-rich food and then only you will become muscular. See the complex sentence. If you eat protein-rich food, you will become muscular. Now coming to the next one. In the event of studying well, you will get the first prize. Is the simple sentence. It has to be converted into compound sentence. So how to convert it? You study well or you will not get the first prize. Here the coordinating conjunction is or. Now we are going to convert this into a complex sentence. So we are going to use a subordinating conjunction if here. If you study well, you will get the first prize. Model 4. Look at the simple sentence. This child is too fat to run. Here we have the model 2 in simple sentence. How to convert this into compound sentence? This child is very fat and so it cannot run. We are using the coordinating conjunction and so here. And the complex sentence goes on like this. This child is so fat that it cannot run. The pattern is so that. Now look at the next sentence. This child was too fat to run. Here previously the verb was in present tense, now it is in past tense. So at that time instead of can we are using could, and instead of cannot we have to use could not. Now here see, this child was too fat to run. This child was very fat and so it could not run is the compound sentence. This child was so fat that it could not run is the complex sentence. Adjective class in complex sentence. Look at the complex sentence here. The pen which my brother bought today writes well. There is an adjective class over here. Look at the subordinating class. Look at the subordinating conjunction which here. Look at the simple sentence. The pen bought by my brother today writes well. The compound sentence is my brother bought a pen today and it writes well. The complex sentence is the pen which my brother bought today writes well. Now look at the simple sentence. I know the author of the book. There is no compound sentence for this. And we have the complex sentence as I know who wrote the book. I know who wrote the book. You can see the adjective clause over here. Now next, simple sentence. I saw a blind person walking on the platform. And the compound sentence will be I saw a person walking on the platform and he was blind. The complex sentence will be I saw a blind person who was walking on the platform. Here also you can see the adjective clause in the complex sentence. Now we can have some examples in which you can see the noun clause in the complex sentence. Look at the complex sentence. He confessed that he was guilty. He proved that he was innocent is the next sentence. Look at these sentences. You have the noun clause over there. So noun clause is present in this complex sentence. How to convert into simple and compound? The simple sentence will be he confessed his guilt. And the compound sentence will be he was guilty and he confessed it. For the next sentence, for the next complex sentence, he proved that he was innocent. The simple sentence will be he proved his innocence. And the compound sentence will be he was innocent and he proved it. Other examples. Look at this simple sentence. The tiger cub appears to be a cat. The tiger cub appears to be a cat. There is no compound sentence for this. And look at the complex sentence. The tiger cub appears as if it were a cat. As if is the subordinating conjunction over here. Now look at the simple sentence. Besides singing, he knows dancing. The compound sentence will be he knows not only singing but also dancing. It is of the pattern not only but also. He knows not only singing but also dancing. Look at the complex sentence. He knows singing as well as dancing. Now next. He spent to his heart's content is the simple sentence. The compound sentence is he wanted to spend a lot and he did it. And the complex sentence is he spent as much as he wanted.